Do you ever wonder how such a big polar bear can get across such thin ice without breaking through? Well, today we're going to be learning about pressure. And pressure is the reason that polar bears don't fall through such thin ice. Pressure equals force over area. And today we are going to be exploring this by doing an experiment with a balloon and two different plates of nails. One plate has 2 nails and then the other plate has 4 nails. And we're going to see what happens whenever we push this plate onto the nails with the same amount of force. We're going to watch what happens to the balloon whenever I push it to a plate of 40 nails and when I push it to a plate of 2 nails. Alright, ready? I'm going to push it to the plate of 40 nails and I'm going to be pushing the balloon to each plate with the same amount of pressure. Plate 1 with 40 nails. Okay? Alright, and my plate was too flimsy to hold these nails still. So now I'm going to demonstrate what would happen if I press the same balloon to 2 nails with the same amount of pressure. It popped! Okay, this is because we have a diagram right here. This diagram shows our plate of nails with 2 nails and with 40 nails. So the number of nails was different from the plate with 40 nails and 2 nails. So pressure, as we know, is equal to force over area. And I applied the same force to both plates, which in this case I just wrote 10 to make it easy. And then the area was 2 nails, which would equal 5 pounds of force to each nail, or the other plate, which was 40 nails, which is 0.25 pounds of force to each nail. And this is why the balloon didn't pop whenever I pushed it against a bunch of different nails, because the area was greater. And this is also the same reason that polar bears can slide against ice, because we, or polar bears, if we only put 2 points of contact or a small area with a lot of force, we will break through the ice, just like we saw with this experiment. 2 nails will break and pop a balloon, whereas when a polar bear slides across ice, he increases his surface area and he lays on his belly and slides so that he has a huge area that would make it to where he distributes the force and has a smaller pressure.